Let's learn Cool Whip. It's choreographed by Judy McDonald. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Cool Whip. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot back and next to your right and cross your right over your left. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, place your right heel into the right diagonal. Quickly step your right foot back and next to your left and cross your left over your right. Step your right foot to the right side and cross your left behind your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. Section 2, we're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and place your left heel into the left diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot back and next to your right, cross your right over your left, and then touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step to the left, and as we step to the left, we're going to sway our hips left, sway your hips right, and as we sway our hips back to the left, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot, and touch our right next to our left, and now you're facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped behind for 1. You're quickly stepping to the side, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to step your left next to your right. Step your right foot forward and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and point your right toe to the right side, and you're going to hold. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just made our turn. You're doing your step together step. 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a grapevine to the right. So you're going to step your right foot side, left behind right, right foot to the side, touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, but not taking any weight on it. And you're going to bounce your heel up, down, and then you're going to go up, and you're going to take weight onto your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. It's side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, touch, sway, left, right, left, quarter turn, touch, step, together, step, touch, side, point, hold, ball, cross, grapevine to the right, step, bounce, 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 take weight. And weight is on that left foot, ready to go to the right. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps, side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. Weight is on your left foot, stepping to the right. Side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, touch, hip, left, right, left, quarter turn, touch, step, together, step, touch, side, point, hold, ball, cross, grapevine to the right, bounce, take, weight to the side, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, touch, sway, left, right, left, quarter turn, touch, step, together, step, touch, side, point, hold, ball cross, grapevine with a touch, bounce your heel, take weight with the left, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you'll dance all the way through to the end of the song without worrying about anything. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Cool Whip. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.